Look what happened. What happened in the book? Why do you keep closing it? You don't want to see it? You want to see what happened in the book? What happened? What happened? What's going on? Look at those little babies. You want to see the babies? No? What's going on in the book?